Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Android Studio and JDK versions must match and both be 64-bit. Once done, open SDK Manager and ensure the correct SDK platform and build tools are installed, because missing components break builds. Next, close background Gradle daemons and invalidate caches to remove stale state. This prevents mysterious sync errors. If you see path mismatches, update the JDK and SDK paths in file project structure so the IDE and Gradle agree. You now tackle Gradle and dependency problems directly. Sync the project and read the first error line in the build window. The first reported cause is usually the root issue. Make sure the Gradle wrapper and Android Gradle plugin are compatible. Edit Gradle wrapper. Properties and build. Gradle and then resync. If conflicts remain, run /gradlu app dependencies to see duplicate or incompatible versions, and force resolution or use implementation instead of compile. Also check Kotlin and Hilt versions if applicable. Finish by performing a clean rebuild. Run /gradlu clean assemble debug or use build clean project then rebuild. Then resolve any manifest or resource errors. Check for duplicate resource names, invalid vector drawables, or missing permissions, because these commonly stop packaging. If the problem persists, create a minimal sample project and reproduce the error to isolate whether the issue is your environment or project configuration. If that reproduces the bug, replace modules incrementally until you locate the faulty file or dependency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.